We're talking today about an injury involving some surgery. Joining us today to talk about it for the Law and You, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, right here in the midst of the Labor Day weekend.
Oh, I'm tired. The hotline rang all night last night.
It keeps you busy.
All night
I
long.
understand. Very in demand here is the Law and You.
Blowing up.
So let's answer another question, get another viewer some help. And Nancy in McAdoo has an issue she needs some advice on. I had a surgery last year in my pelvis, and they used some kind of mesh that I found out is defective. I have to have another surgery now because of the problems. Who do I sue for this? So who would be responsible for the problems Nancy's having with this surgery?
Well, Nancy, to answer your question, who should you sue for this? That would be the manufacturer of the mesh. There are a number of class action cases out there right now. We've been involved in some of them. In terms of the manufacturer, that's who your target is going to be on this because it's a defective product. Now, if there was also some negligence involved with the surgery, then you may potentially want to look at the hospital as well. But you know, your first order of business here is going to be look to the manufacturer for this one.
And how do you get to the manufacturer? That's probably your question. What you have to do is you have to request your medical records, and then inside your medical records will be the information of the product that's used that will identify the manufacturer. Sometimes when you see, like for example, in the hip implants, it'll basically tell you exactly the product number, all this stuff. But in the mesh cases, you'll have that information too. Get them, then you have to check, call a lawyer, knows what they're doing, take a look at what, if that mesh has actually been found defective, and then, obviously have someone review it to see if you have a case.
All right, sounds complex. If you're in a situation like this involving surgery and maybe you feel something isn't right, where can our viewers go?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, we'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
All right, so we're having a party over at Greg's and more dock dives?
Absolutely.
Cannot wait.
Backflips off the dock.
Backflips, we love them. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
We'll see you later.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline will get your question featured right here on The Law and You.